What's up, people? Looking at the day, this little up higher is really an opportunity to short. If you haven't shorted already, I would take this opportunity, but I wouldn't use options. I would use some inverse ETFs to sell um, this decline in the post market. If you can't sell out in the post market, don't make the trade. Um, and then tomorrow, it's looking like we probably have some sort of push back early in the day. Either we start off down. Um, yes, we gap down and then there's a move higher, or we start at a low for the day and we move higher. In either case, there's an opportunity to sell short positions in the post market today, and then there's a trade opportunity tomorrow morning in the pre market and the first half hour of trading, as well as in the post market again. I'd say there's a big drop tomorrow, guys. So prep for it. Big drop tomorrow. If I look at the 1 month overview, there's a sharp move higher off of some sort of support or something to do with. Oh wow. Okay, so tomorrow, guys, there's a push higher in the first half hour of trading in the pre-market and the first half hour of trading. There may be some sort of sideways rotation right around the open. However, that move higher, which may be a very sharp move higher, it's going to come to completion around 10 o'clock, around 10:30. It's going to cross through two support levels and decline based on around 11 o'clock. It'll continue to decline to a low based on some sort of news that comes out. And then there's a sharp decline to another low around. You know what, guys? I'm seeing something else here. The Knight of Swords. Okay, so some sort of there's a male leader that's highlighted in the pre-market tomorrow. It's most likely the president. There's some sort of news right around the open having to do with the leader, and then there's a sharp move to the upside to reach a distance support, resistance level, and reach the high for the day within the first half hour of trading. Then there's going to be an opportunity between like 10 and 11 to uh, open a position on both sides of the market. So I'll be opening up like a straddle or strangle, something like that, depending on price range and volatility and whatnot. But then we're going to have a decline. Okay. Yeah. And then there's another opportunity to open. Maybe it's looking like a day trade, possibly. Let me see here. Depending on where, there's going to be some range bound behavior tomorrow between like 11 and 1 o'clock, roughly. And just going into that range boundness, I'll probably hold my shorts and buy some longs possibly for. It's hard to say. If it opens down, I do certain thing. If it opens up, I'm going to do a certain thing, and I can't really determine that based on the Knight of Swords. However, the oppression card. It's most likely it's most likely going to open around 446 tomorrow or reach for 446. But there's a low correlator between 1 and 2, and that's an opportunity to open some sort of long position. It looks to me like maybe a day trade. Looks to me like it's probably a day trade. I wouldn't hold those long positions very long at all. No pun intended. I'm still on the short side, especially tomorrow. I'm most likely going to sell my short positions and roll, or just sell my short positions sometime on Wednesday morning, or possibly Thursday morning, or Wednesday or Thursday, somewhere in there. Um, and then probably what I'll do is use the Friday kind of like sideways S maneuver that the S&P 500 will do to open up at the high. So it'll drop, then it'll go back to where it dropped from, and that level, that's where I'll open up some short positions to sell the following week. So in any case, guys, there's a high correlator tomorrow on the 1 month trade, but there's also a sharp decline on the 1 month overview as well. And the following day is an opportunity to cash in. So Wednesday, it's an opportunity to cash in. I would prepare yourselves. I'm prepared for a decline, um, possibly a big move to the upside, followed by that decline. Now, that big move from the upside may very well be from, it's hard to determine with this one if it's a gap down or a gap up. So I'm just going to say prepare yourselves for a sharp decline. It's going to continue um, with some pushback towards the end of the week, or possibly on Wednesday, but it's going to continue until Monday of the following week. And then even further, it'll continue. Like I said, guys, it's looking like an ugly month. I'm going to be selling into any highs, basically. I hope this stuff helps you guys. If you like it, subscribe, share, like. There's a link at the bottom. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know if there's something else I could do that's more helpful. But I think it's pretty damn helpful. It works for me. In any case, good luck to you guys. Stay tuned.